and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today's video is a bit of a different one. I'm not sure if you heard of egg oil before, but I'm going to talk about 5 benefits of egg oil and how you can combine egg oil for weight loss, for skin health, and for hair health as well. Egg oil is basically a type of oil that is derived from eggs, and it has been associated with health and beauty benefits as well. It's been traditionally used for weight loss, for improved skin health, and for improved hair health as well. So we're going to give you a recipe that uses egg oil as the main ingredient, and this is for hair and scalp treatment. So I want you to combine 1 tablespoon of egg oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in a small bowl. Massage the mixture into your scalp and your hair, and cover your hair with a shower cap. Let the treatment sit for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. After the 1 hour, shampoo, condition as usual. It's really important to note that egg oil does have health and beauty benefits, but still there's more research, more clinical trials that are needed to confirm these uses of egg oil. It's really important to use egg oil in moderation, because you don't want to use this recipe so often on your hair, because it can cause a buildup. Also, when you are using hair recipes, it's really important to understand what type of hair do you have, what kind of scalp do you have oily hair, do you have frizzy hair, do you have dehydrated or dry hair, basically, because then you'll be able to know what recipes work with your hair. For example, I do recommend this recipe right here, the egg oil hair and scalp treatment, for people who have dry hair, dry sensitive hair. I don't recommend it for people who have oily hair. For people who have oily hair, we want to use more tonifying ingredients, such as apple cider vinegar with water, such as some stinging nettle infusion as a hair rinse, and hairspray as well. Something to really help to tonify the scalp and remove excess oils. So this recipe here is more for people who have normal to dry dehydrated hair that actually needs excess moisture, that actually needs to be moisturized and needs these oil element to be reintroduced as well. So if you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.